So initially, the entire CMA thing seemed very daunting because the subject was vast and I wasn't sure if I could do it. But now that I've completed my CMA in 6 months, it just feels very freeing and that I can finally breathe. But it also presented a lot of opportunities to me that weren't there before, and my parents were really happy. My name is Hima Rao. I'm from Hyderabad and I've completed my undergraduation and wanted to pursue CMA because I wanted something that would put me over the edge. Going through Miles' lectures of all of the subjects, but I found that I had to make mind maps for each and every chapter to help me retain the information better. And Miles' textbooks really helped me to do that because they truly showed me what I had to focus on. Varun Jain sir's enthusiasm and his mnemonics really helped me to understand the concepts in a better way and kind of drill that information into my head. Like I didn't even have to sit down and memorize stuff. Varun Jain sir's lectures made me fall in love with the course and the subject. To be honest, thank you so much for supporting me throughout my journey and making sure that all of my concerns were heard, and not only heard but actually seen to. Yeah, it just makes it a lot more wholesome process. CMA matlab miles.